Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the mnemonic for the deep venous thrombosis etiology. Basically it is called DVT. So first is the mnemonic. Mnemonic is like the name indicates thrombosis. So first is the T for the trauma. If the patient has a trauma of different like accidents occur, it can cause a deep vein thrombosis. Next is the H for the hormones. Different pregnant women or the females use the oral contraception. This can cause the deep vein thrombosis. Next is the R for the road traffic accidents like the trauma. You can remember this word. Next is the O for the operations, different types of surgeries like the cholecystectomy to remove the gallbladder stones along with the gallbladder. It can also cause the deep vein thrombosis. Next is the M for the malignancies. Different types of tumors or malignancies can also cause the deep vein thrombosis. Next is the B for the blood disorders, different bleeding disorders, or the polycythemia in which the RBCs are high. It can also cause the DVT. Next is the O for the obesity. If the fat content in the body is high or the BMI is high, it can also cause the deep vein thrombosis. Next is the S for the serious illness. If the patient has a serious disease occur, it can also cause the deep vein thrombosis. I for the immobilization, like the different types of fractures, patient is bedridden or the hospitalized, it can also cause the DVT or the deep vein thrombosis. The last one is the S, and this is S for the splenectomy. It can also cause the deep vein thrombosis. So this is all about the deep vein thrombosis. I hope you have liked this video. If you understand it, please share it with your friends. If you have any questions, you can comment below. You can check out our other mnemonic videos. You can subscribe our channel for more such videos. You can join our Telegram and social media groups. Links are given below. Thanks for watching.